Previously, I bought my first Koken Ratchet in 3/8 drive with flex head mechanism and decided to get another one in non-flex. As usual, it comes with this cheap plastic cover. Part number is 37250Z280. The length of the ratchet is 28 cm, made in Japan. I like the way how Koken Ratchet are slim profile, small comfort grip handle. It is interesting design. The corner of the handle is metal and the rubber seems to be molded onto the handle and then is welded onto the shaft. You can see from the distance if it is welded. It is laser welded. I'm not big fan of handle grip, it is just okay. Due to its slim design, it is quite helpful in narrow spaces though. Nice shiny chrome finish. Workmanship is top notch. I like this grainy surface under the selector switch. Koken logo and the part number is stamped and here made in Japan stamp. One screw is holding the mechanism, which is not so common nowadays. Selector switch is made out of metal. It is recessed and quite smooth. Koken are famous for their less back drag. Silky smooth mechanism. It feels like no effort is needed to turn the anvil. Very impressive. Let me grab a socket to test on it. I have got here snap-on deep socket. Socket seated smoothly and it is firm onto the ratchet. Very little wobble. It's so satisfying. Very buttery mechanism. Let me show you guys why Koken ratchets have very little back drag. This is the second ratchet from Koken I'm getting, which is not very well lubed. The anvil gear seems solid. If you look here, the mechanism has two separate paws. Upper one with the teeth and the bottom one is for the support. I'll just show you guys a glimpse of internals. Here you can see the minimal back drag is achieved. When anvil is turning in reverse, the pawl engagement with the teeth is very smooth due to the bottom pawl is machined and contact the edges with the upper pawl, and the gap between two pawl makes it wobble when back dragging. Due to the less resistance, the back drag is so little, but mechanism allow necessary teeth engagement, avoiding any tooth skip. When turning forward, the bottom paw support upper paw and engages firmly on the bottom against the wall, which enables the mechanism to take high torque. This is how Koken achieve its minimalist back drag. This is amazing concept. It is patent designed to the Koken. It is great idea, but can't say for sure if it can survive in high torque situation as traditional one. Only time will tell if this mechanism is strong enough, but it's pretty good design. I have already made a video on flex head. I'm just showing you guys how it looks in comparison. Flex head is few millimeters longer. Now let's bring other ratchet for comparison. I have got here snap-on extra long ratchet. Both flex head and non-flex head ratchets from Hazet, Stahlwille, Facom, Wera, Kamasa, etc. I've got flex head ratchet just to give an appearance and dimension overview. I'm just gonna compare only non-flex ratchets. This is regular length snap-on ratchet with comfort grip handle. You can see how big this snap-on handle is than the Koken one. I must say I like the snap-on ratchet handle. Both are shiny chrome. Snap-on ratchet head is bigger and beefier. I like the Koken selector switch due to its recessed design. Sometimes selector switch of snap-on caught up in tight areas. Snap-on ratchet gear teeth are 80 versus 72. Koken gear teeth are way smoother than the snap-on one, but snap-on gear teeth are less noisy. This snap-on ratchet has quick release button. Look at the head size. Koken has slim profile. Here I got Stahlwille regular length ratchet. Look at the handle size. Stahlwille has way bigger handle. Both are comfort grip, but I like Stahlwille handle more than Koken. Look at the head size. Koken head is smaller. Stahlwille selector switch is bigger and smoother. Both have recessed switch. Stahlwille has smooth gear teeth too, but can't beat the smoothness of Koken ratchet. Stahlwille has 80 gear teeth versus 72 of Koken. I like German style rough matte chrome finish. Now the Hazet regular length ratchet. Hazet handle is not too bulky or big, but still I prefer Hazet handle. Koken handle does not fit good in my hands. Hazet has nice rough matte chrome finish. Hazet has slightly bigger head profile. Both have reset selector switch and both are smooth. Hazet has 90 gear teeth, which is very fine comparing to the 72 gear teeth of Koken. Hazet gear teeth can't beat the smoothness of Koken. I have decent collection of ratchets. When it comes to the smoothness of gear teeth, Koken ratchet is the best. It's like sailing on a boat on water. For the quick note, I found this Wera Zyklop ratchet is the nearest to the Koken ratchet when we talk about bag drag. Wera has also very smooth and buttery mechanism, maybe slightly less than the Koken one. I would say Koken ratchets are quite decent. These are made in Japan in their own factory. I think these Koken ratchets are good value for the money. For now, I end this video here. Feel free to comment below. Thanks for coming along. Consider to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video.